Welcome everybody to Apple Insider. This is our iPhone 12 mini, and we're going to walk through our top features. Now, these features are really specific to the iPhone mini in general. Starting off with our number one new feature, which is that size. I cannot describe how cool the size of the iPhone 12 mini really is in practice. It is just a hair above our original iPhone SE. Now, we are steadfast max sized users. We have an iPhone 12 Pro Max that we use quite a bit, but going from that to the 12 mini is absolutely incredible. The reason we stick with the Max is usually due to the cameras. This shire's got the larger sensor as well as the additional lenses that the iPhone 12 mini doesn't have. But cameras aside, we vastly prefer the size of this phone. It is amazing. It is so easy to type one-handed in our medium to small sized hands. It is really cool. It's cool. That's all I can say, because it really is a whole new size. It's not a slim down phone, it's not a slow down phone, just an extremely powerful phone in this tiny little body. It is a full iPhone experience at just a much more compact size than we're ever really used to. We don't always need just a tiny phone, but more and more, that tiny phone is more and more convenient than those max size plus sized phones. I know that's kind of the popular thing, but even compared to just the 12 Pro, the 12 mini is absolutely incredible. So yeah, the entire 12 lineup has 5G, but we really have to talk about it in relationship to the iPhone 12 mini. Now, first up, this is a screenshot from a different phone. That's why there's some overlapping here with the notch. Don't worry about that. But talking about 5G, it's awesome. I mean, this is the smallest and lightest phone to include support for 5G, including millimeter wave. You can see that 5G antenna there on the side. The fact that we're getting full 5G in this tiny phone just absolutely blows my mind. Apple really made very few compromises with this phone, including on power. This thing is short, but not short on processing power, because it has the same A14 Bionic processor as all the other phones, including the massive iPhone 12 Pro Max. The same processor that is in Apple's most high-end phone is in Apple's cheapest iPhone 12, as well as the tiny size. And it is so blazingly fast, opening apps, doing everything, just completely smooth and perfect. The final thing that we are most excited about with the iPhone 12 mini is this is an entire new size of iPhone, which means starting out of the gate, there's not a ton of accessories. But between Apple's really large launch of accessories this year, as well as the inclusion of MagSafe, we've already started to see a ton of accessories coming out for the iPhone 12 line, and specifically the iPhone 12 mini. A lot of this stuff is just going to work, and it's such perfect size for this phone. We have been trying a bunch of different stuff here. So of course we have MagSafe, which works incredible. Even if it does charge a little bit slower on the iPhone 12 mini, the fact that the battery is smaller doesn't make it a huge deal for us. But we just love the possibilities that MagSafe unlocks. If you tried Apple's wallet, oh my gosh, it fits perfectly on the back of this phone. Just such a great size to go with those accessories. And we've already seen so many other MagSafe accessories coming to market from a bunch of different accessory makers, like a Moment and several others. Aside from MagSafe, we also love Apple's new leather sleeve, which turns your iPhone 12 mini into just a perfect wristlet. So it comes with the actual case itself and then that strap. Inside the case, there are card slots, so you can store a couple credit cards with you while on the go. And using MagSafe in that NFC reader, it'll actually change the color of the display there at the top so that you can see the clock at the same time. And you can still take phone calls while that sleeve is on there. There's so much to love about the iPhone 12 mini. Let me know what your favorite new feature is over on Twitter. Hey everyone, did you guys like that video? Be sure to click on that like button so we can create content that we know that you guys want to see. And follow Apple Insider on all social media channels. If you want the best prices on any Apple gear, check out the Apple Insider price guide that is updated daily. And until next time, we'll see you later.